Boxycharm Premium, and then another item which I don't remember if it was an add-on or I don't know, but I got another item separate from my premium box, which is 6 full-size item, which is the same. It can be makeup or skincare. It's $35, free shipping, and then you pay tax. So it cost me $37.50 for 6 full-size items. Now, Boxycharm is supposed to be based on your profile. I have noticed lately that I've been a little disappointed in that because it doesn't seem to be based on the profile. It's just give you whatever, but it's always worth it. So before I open that up, I want to see what I received in this box right here. I think I remember ordering it is right. So this is a coffee body scrub. And I just remember that it didn't cost me, I don't think, but a couple dollars, and I don't remember why. I'm not sure if it was possibly because I ordered it with the points, because you get points when you rate products. But yeah, so I wanted to go ahead and order that. All right, so let's go ahead and get into my Boxy Premium. Okay, so on top of the box is a card which says Boxycharm Go All Out. And then on the back of this card, it has all of the items that are in my box, a little description and prices. And then it has my variation, let's see, yeah, variation 32, which is down there in the corner. So that's variation 32. It's a rose quartz vibrating facial massager. Oh, pretty cool, it's vibrating. It reduces fine lines, age spot, scars, and wrinkles. Luxe and Willow Phoenix Rose Quartz Vibrating Facial Massager, and it says it retails for $79.99. Okay, so the next item, these are called Larouche Beauty Face Disc, and it retails for $24. So that's pretty cool. And the next one, it says it's a bronze multi-stick. Let me take it out of this package. Okay, so it's Persona Cosmetics Dream Stick Bronzer. This is a clean, lightweight cream bronzing multi-stick formula, and it retails for $26. All right, so I went ahead and switched out my eyeglasses. I don't know why I was trying to do that. I cannot see. I have to have the stronger lens. Okay, so this one is Wishful Honey Balm. And it's a moisturizer, so let me go ahead and take this out of this package. So it's a luxuriously textured jelly meets balm moisturizer infused with honey to lock in moisture for up to 24 hours and soothe the skin. The addition of turmeric root extract helps minimize the appearance of hyperpigmentation and unevenness, while niacinamide brightens and visibly reduces the appearance of pores. The soothing lavender scent creates a relaxing and calming moment to enhance your self-care routine. So yeah, I got to get into this one. Oh my goodness, is that really, really nice. Okay, and it is for the face. I'm excited about that. So the next one is the Vesca Beauty Lush Glow Creamy Lip Oil. Look at that, that looks fantastic. So let's see what it says here on this card. Vesca Beauty Lush Glow Creamy Lip Oil. It's inspired by lush tropical gardens. This is a high pigment creamy lip treatment infused with Tahitian coconut oil and vitamin E for a dose of moisture that conditions and soothes lips. Its non-sticky, cushiony comfort delivers a dewy glow for your lips with every swipe. Each perfectly curated hue works for all skin tones. Let the fresh topical scent transport you. $26. Let's go on to the next, which is OSEA Sea Minerals Mist. Okay, so let's find some information on this. OSEA Malibu Sea Minerals Mist. Balance and soothe skin with this supercharged toning mist. Osea's proprietary blend of nutrient-rich seaweed visibly evens your skin tone while minerals work their magic, cooling and refreshing. The aloe vera infused mist helps nourish sun-drenched skin. Micro Cloud Mist is the ideal delivery system for plumping hydration, and it retails for $38. So I kind of like this box. I'm digging this box. Okay, so a quick recap. Right, so we have the Wishful Honey Balm Jelly Moisturizer, which retails for $49. Then the next is the Vesca Beauty Lush Glow Creamy Lip Oil, which is $26. Then we have the Sea Mineral Face Mist, which retails for $38. Then the Luxe and Willow Rose Quartz Vibrating Facial Massager, which retails for $79.99. Then I have the Persona Cosmetics Dream Stick Bronzer, which retails for $26. And then the Larouche Beauty Face Disc, which retails for $24. I love it. I like this better than the Glam X that I got this month. This is a really nice box. Let me get a total. And that comes to a whopping $242. So, do you think this is a lousy box? A fantastic box? So-so? Let me know in your comments below. I'm very pleased with it. I am so pleased with this box. I was so disappointed in past boxes with Boxycharm, but this one wins me over. This is a really good box for $242. Now the Glam X, I paid $58.50 or $58.30, something like that, for all of those products, and the retail price on all of those combined was $317. So this is a really good deal here for $37.50. So anyway, thanks so much for watching the video, guys, and I'll see you in my next video.